because it's a resolution for the UNEP.
How does MUN help you extend the purpose of diplomacy to the youth?
MUN extends the purpose of diplomacy to the youth in a way that it immerses students into the actual thing. I'll be honest, I'll be personal. Before I went to Southville, I had really low dreams. But because of Southville and because of MUN, I've actually wanted to take a course in international relations, and that's all because of the experiences I've had in MUN, and I'm really glad that Southville has given me the opportunity to do this.
All right, thank you so much. How did Southville help you for this MUN conference?
For this MUN conference, I think Southville helped us. We always had practice and training after school, and with the help of Sir Jude and the other teachers for our SLT teachers, we always practiced with each other, and like Sir Jude always gave us good comments about how we're supposed to do speeches and POIs. So I think that Southville always gave us good places to practice and like good surroundings so we could like be our best, and it led us to be best, get awards and be cherished for this current MUNA 2019. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I feel like the biggest challenge that I faced this conference was actually one of my best experiences, because I am a senior ending my MUN career in high school as being a chair. It hurts, and I feel like the challenge is, parting ways, with my high school MUN career. But then because I have met so many good people and I can actually carry them outside my high school career in MUN, I feel like even if it does hurt and it is a challenge, they're still the best people in my life, and I will trust that forever.
Thank you. Solo.